You're locked in. Mid-fight, everything feels smooth, and suddenly, your FPS tanks for no reason. Your shots miss, your movement stutters, and the match slips away. Sound familiar? This isn't just about your hardware. A lot of the time, it's Windows and NVIDIA settings sabotaging your performance. Today, I'll show you step-by-step how to fix FPS drops, stutters, and weird slowdowns in Windows 11 and the NVIDIA ecosystem. We'll optimize shader cache, drivers, background services, and even hidden GPU settings that most people don't touch. The best part? No sketchy downloads. It's all built into Windows and NVIDIA's tools. Let's dive in.
Step 1. NVIDIA Control Panel Shader Cache Fix. One of the sneakiest causes of stutter or random FPS drops comes from corrupted shader cache files. Every time your GPU compiles shaders, it stores them for reuse. But after driver updates or game patches, the cache can conflict with new instructions. The result? Micro stutter, frame pacing issues, and even sudden hitching in cutscenes. Here's how to fix it with a quick refresh. Open NVIDIA Control Panel. Right-click your desktop, choose Show More Options, then NVIDIA Control Panel, or search it from Start. Navigate Manage 3D Settings, Global Settings. Scroll down until you find Shader Cache Size. Do the reset trick. First, set Shader Cache Size to Disabled, and then click Apply. Restart your PC. Return to the same menu and set it back to Driver Default, and then apply again. What this does is force NVIDIA to rebuild a fresh cache system the next time you launch your games, wiping out corrupted entries that were slowing things down.
Step 2. Update GPU drivers properly. Running old or messy drivers is one of the fastest ways to ruin smooth gameplay. New drivers often include performance boosts, bug fixes, and optimizations tailored for the latest games, but only if you install them correctly. Here's the proper method. Open the NVIDIA app. Just search NVIDIA in the Start menu. Go to Drivers tab. Under Driver Type, select Game Ready Driver, GRD. This is tuned specifically for gaming performance. The Studio driver is great for creative work, but GRD is what you want for esports and AAA titles. Hit Download, then Install. When prompted, select Custom Installation and check Perform a Clean Installation. This wipes leftover files and registry entries from older drivers that can sometimes cause stuttering, black screens, or conflicts. Restart your PC to finalize the changes.
Step 3. Clear old shader cache files. Even after refreshing the cache in NVIDIA Control Panel, your system may still hold on to old DirectX shader cache files. Over time, these files pile up and can conflict with new drivers, leading to stutters, random hitching, or even longer load times. The fix? A full cleanup. Here's how. Press Win+S. Type Disk Cleanup and open it. Select your main drive, C drive, the one Windows is installed on. Click Clean Up System Files and let it rescan. Scroll down the list and check DirectX Shader Cache. Click OK, then Delete Files. That's it! Windows will wipe the outdated shader cache. Why this matters? Shader caches are supposed to speed up performance by storing pre-compiled shaders, but when they get bloated or corrupted, they do the opposite. Clearing them forces your system to rebuild fresh, optimized shaders tailored to your current drivers and games.
Step 4. Power management for GPU. By default, NVIDIA drivers try to be efficient with power usage, even on high-end desktops. Sounds good on paper, but in reality, it often means your GPU randomly downclocks mid-game, then ramps back up a few milliseconds later. That tiny delay is exactly what causes random FPS drops and microstutters. Here's how to lock it at full speed. Right-click your desktop, NVIDIA Control Panel, go to Manage 3D Settings, Global Settings,
Scroll down to Power Management mode and set it to Prefer Maximum Performance. This tells your GPU, stay at full clocks while gaming, don't throttle. Bonus setting, right below, find Low Latency mode and switch it to Ultra. This reduces input lag by sending frames to the GPU just in time, instead of letting them queue. The result? Snappier mouse response and tighter frame pacing, especially in shooters.
Step 5. Windows Graphics Settings. Even if you've got a powerful GPU, Windows sometimes mismanages workloads, especially on laptops or systems with integrated graphics. The result? Your game quietly runs on the wrong GPU, tanking FPS. Luckily, you can force Windows to always pick the high-performance card. Go to Settings, /System, /Display, /Graphics. Find your games.exe, use Browse if it's not listed, then click Options, /High Performance. This guarantees your dedicated GPU handles the game every time. Extra tweaks. Game Mode, /Settings, /Gaming, /Game Mode, /On. This prioritizes gaming workloads over background processes. Disable Xbox Game Bar plus DVR. Same menu, turn off Xbox Game Bar and disable Captures /Game DVR. These run hooks into your GPU and can quietly eat performance if left on.
Step 6. Enable Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling, HAGS. This one's hidden, but powerful. Press Start, search Graphics Settings, toggle Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling equals On, then restart. HAGS reduces CPU overhead by letting the GPU handle its own scheduling. It doesn't always boost FPS, but it makes frame delivery more consistent.
Step 7. Background processes and services. Sometimes your stutters aren't the GPU or drivers at all. They're background services stealing CPU time or network bandwidth. Windows loves to keep things running just in case, but for gaming, that's wasted performance. Services to disable in services.msc. Connected user experiences and telemetry. Logs and upload system data non-stop. Delivery optimization uses your PC to share updates with others. Set both to manual or disabled for instant relief. The lighter your background load, the smoother your frames, especially in CPU-heavy game.
Step 8. Registry Fix Network Throttling Index. Here's a deep cut tweak that fixes stutters during online play. Press Win+R, type regedit. Navigate to Find Network Throttling Index, double-click, set value data to 8Fs. Restart PC. This removes Windows' built-in network throttling, so your connection won't be artificially slowed down while gaming.
And that's it. We just stripped down NVIDIA and Windows to give you a clean, stable gaming experience. From refreshing shader cache to disabling Windows' hidden network throttling, these tweaks make sure your GPU is working at its best without random FPS drops holding you back. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for next-level optimizations, and tell me in the comments your before and after FPS. Play smoother, aim sharper, and stop letting Windows get between you and your wins.